The only thing I know about this recipe is it was nice. It turned out nice. You know those days when you wake up and no, you don't wake up, but like you're there and you want to make a meal, but you don't know which exact meal you want to make. In your head, you feel like you've cooked all the beef dishes there is right now and you just want something quick. Anyways, this is what I did. I had a small piece of beef in the fridge and I wanted something, to go with the rice. So I made this simple beef cube sauce. Let me show you how I did it. I started by heating the pan, and before I start blabbering, by the way, I may forget to request you to subscribe. You people, the months are going and we are not even at 50k. Yay. People, please subscribe. It's for free. Anyways, let's go on ahead and I let you know. So I heated a little bit of oil on my pan and then I put the beef cubes. These are not seasoning cubes, these are like beef cubes, actual beef. And then once they started becoming golden brown on one side, I turned them. Then I figured I wanted it more tender and like more cooked. So I covered, that's why there was liquid. And then I uncovered and kept on tossing until it was golden brown on all sides. It was ready to go. But then in my head, I'm like, no, you gotta do something else. So I fried a little bit of onions in the same pan. Yeah, I like this part. The tossing and, yeah. See, I look like I'm a professional. Oh, yeah, you too. It's just a slow-mo, man. It's just a slow-mo. Nothing so serious. But anyways, once the onions were caramelized, I just returned the beef. And then I also put in some chunks of carrots, which I wanted to be like vibrant and, cute. But because I did not know where I was going with this recipe, which, by the way, turned out so well, that's why I'm sharing it with you. So if you're going to give it a try, just know if you follow everything, it's going to be a banger. So I returned everything, and on the side I made a sauce which was composed of soy sauce, dark soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, water and cornstarch to thicken, and then I just poured it over. So you can make as much sauce as you want or as little as you want. Beware of the salt already in the dark soy sauce and the Worcestershire sauce, so you need to be sure before you start seasoning things overly. Yeah, and also keep on testing. I will be mentioning this all the time in the videos so that you do not be serving things and they are really, really salty when you're already seasoned and then you added in like sauce. Anyways, I covered this because I wanted everything like to be married, like be friends, besties. Yeah, so I covered it, and later on I realized the carrots had overcooked. Yeah, so these mushy ones were like really good because they went well with the rice, but I wanted something crunchier, so I added in some little other carrots later on, and the texture kind of changed. So I also garnished with coriander, fresh coriander leaves. As always, you can use any herb of choice, and then you can serve this with anything. It can be a side, it can be a main. Yeah, just try it out and you can let me know how it turns out. Also check the description for the full recipe. Yeah, bye.